Hi friends, this is Jyotsna from konlines.com. In this session, I would like to discuss about the topic master data loading manual method using master data attributes and text both. Okay, I'm having two types of data loadings. One is master data loading. Second one is transaction data loading. Now we are discussing about master data loading. Here also two methods, manual and automatic. In manual, now we are discussing about manual data loading, master data loading. In this, attributes, text and hierarchies. Now I'm going to discuss about master data loading, attributes, text loading into SAP-BI 7.3 system manually using the function maintain master data. Okay, here we won't have any source system, no source system. Okay, let's log on to the SAP log on. This is my client 001. Give the username and password credentials. Log on language English. As SAP is multilingual language, I am selecting English. Okay, now I came to easy access, SAP easy access screen. Now I have to load the data. Okay, first let us see the what tables I have to load manually. Okay, now I'm having the entity of salesman, S-man. This is my entity. In this I want to write the fields SMID, name, age, address, phone. Okay, Now this is my records. S1, give any record as you wish. S2, like that, so on. This is one table. Okay, this is my primary key. This is the header, my fields, and this is my records. Okay, and for attributes I'm using this table, and for text I'm using the another table. Okay, for that I'm taking this one, language, SMID, short text, short description. Consider it short description, medium description, and long description. These are my fields. English is my language. S1 same uh, SMID we have to take. Why? Because it's primary key and it will be both will be linked. Short description, Raju's master data, Raju master data. You can give anything. Raju master data for attribute text. Okay, same Ian S2, Rahul master data, Rahul master data, Rahul master data for attribute text. Okay, so on. We can enter so many fields. Okay, now first initially I have to go for modeling, right? First I have to design my tables, what to do where, and how you are going to store the data. Everything will be the architecture and design of the data objects will be done on the modeling. For this, RSA1 is my initial screen. See here, this is my modeling, data warehouse workbench modeling. This talks about the architecture and design of the data objects. How you are going to store, where, etc. Okay. Now I have just logged into the SAP NetWeaver BI 7.3 server, and one more, the note is don't enter the same password 3 times consequently, otherwise user will be locked. Okay, and now I have to create the info object. First I have to create the info area first. So let's see once again how to create the info area. Select the info objects, create info area. IA underscore KAT. Okay. We can give any technical name. 16 characteristics we can give up to 16 letters. Info area for S-man attributes and text. Continue. You won't get this as I'm using the server. I'm getting this one. See, I had created the info area for S-man ATR TXT. IA underscore KAT is my technical name. Create the info object catalog. I have to give the info object catalog technical name IOC underscore CH underscore KAT. Technical name is too easy identification. Okay, info object catalog for master data attribute and text manually. Okay, this is my info area. Under this, my info object catalog will be stored. Here I am having info object type, both characteristics and key figures. I am having two types of info objects. One is characteristic and another one is key figure. Characteristics info object will store the characteristics value and key figure info objects will store the key figure values. This is my system type namespaces. SAP delivered by SAP, customer generated by the user, partner PAR. Now I have to press enter. See here it has been selected customer. Why? Because user is creating this. Okay, create. Okay, now activate this. See here, info object catalog underscore CHKAT has been successfully activated. Now you can see here IOC underscore CH underscore KAT under the info area IA underscore KAT. Okay, now I have to create the info object. Create context menu. Here you will find the display, change, copy, delete, display metadata, objects overview and create info objects. I have to click on create info objects. Now select the info object, create the info object. Okay, I had given you SMID is my key figure, primary key, right? So KAT long description SMAN ID. Okay, here characteristics SMID underscore KAT long description SMAN ID. Okay, now this is the general tab. Here it is SAP defined by means 0 is the SAP defined. By default it will come. Now I have to select the data type and length of that, and after that this particular SMID value is done. This is my primary key. Okay, now go to the tab master data slash text. Here I am finding two checkboxes, so many checkboxes. I have to check with master data. Why? Because I'm using the master data. This is my P table, this is my S table. Presently it's just a structure is formed, it's not activated. See, one more table is there, text table slash PIC slash T SMID underscore KAT. Okay, this is the other table. Select the, actually I'm using the table text, right? Language, short text, medium text, everything, right? So here short text is checked by default. If I uncheck this, see, this will be deactivated. If I'm checking this, it will be activated. These check boxes we can use in our navigation. Okay, now I have to select short text, medium text, long text. Why? Because I have given short text, medium text and long text. Okay, now I have to give the attributes. Name underscore KAT, age underscore KAT, address underscore KAT. We can give any technical name as per our requirement. Phone underscore KAT. Check the length to see attributes. Name underscore KAT. Create attribute as characteristics. Check. Then SMAN name. Here I have to select the data type and the length. Okay. Next one is age. By default it will come automatically. Characteristics SMAN age. Age is numeric value, right? So I'm selecting the data type numeric. Length is 2. Address underscore KAT. SMAN ADDR. Address is characteristics value. We can select any value depending upon our address requirement. Continue. Phone. Continue. SMAN phone. Okay. Now I have to select its numeric value, right? Phone number. So I have to select 10. Numerics, num-c and 10. Okay, done. Okay, here I'm using the display attribute. So let it be in display. If I want to change the navigational, just see navigational. Now presently we are talking about the display attribute. So I'm using this. Okay. Now this is done. So I have to activate this table. See, dependent inactive info object sections exist, should be activated. This be activated also. Activate dependent info objects. Here we are having 3 radio buttons. In this, activate this. Yes. See this? Initially this will be in gray color, these info objects. This will be in inactive mode and now it will be activated. See, all info objects activated. Okay, now let's see here in general tab we will get the SID table slash PIC slash SMID underscore KIT. This is the primary key and S indicates the set ID, master data ID or surrogate ID. Now I'm finding these values slash BIC slash MSMID underscore KAT. This is the view. It takes the data, retrieves the data from P table slash BIC slash B SMID underscore KAT. See one more table slash BIC slash D SMID underscore KAT. Okay, these are my tables. Uh, Here in the text table, I'm using with text, right? Selecting with text here with text. Here I'm getting with the text, short text, medium text, and long text. Now this table contains language, primary key, SMID underscore KAT, and 0txt sh my short description, 0txt md my medium text, and long text 0txt lg. It's 20, the size is 40 and 60. Okay, and this is also there. If I check this now, text are time dependent, then we'll get the to and from, date to and date from. Okay, so the modeling means modeling is done, so I have to load the data, right? So this part modeling is done, completed with the info objects, info area creation, and info object catalog creation. Okay, now I have to load the data. So select maintain master data button. See here, it's green one, maintain master data. Now see, execute. We don't have any records or fields here, right? See here, this is my tables clubbed with this SMID, language, S name, S-man name, S-man age, S-man address, S-man phone, short description, medium description, and long description. SMID is common for both the tables. Why? Because it's primary key, it's interlinked with each other. And this language, short description, medium description, long description is from the text table. See, I have given the text table, language, SMID, short description, medium description, long description. And this is SMID, S-man name, S-man age, S-man address, S-man phone. This is my first table, that is name, S-man ID, name, age, address, phone. Okay, now I have to enter the data for these values. Means initially no data is there in this particular table. See, every record is blank. Okay. Means data loading is not done. Go back. Only data modeling is done. Loading part was not completed. Let us discuss this topic in another session. Thanks for watching this video.